This is the new Apple Pencil Pro, and it will blow your mind because there's this one feature that Apple didn't talk about that literally makes this Apple Pencil Pro so worth it. It will boost your productivity and literally changes the way that we use our Apple Pencil. Before we do that, we've got an unboxing to do. As you can see, it comes in this stunning box, and there's actually 5 different variations. I actually posted a YouTube short to show you all 4 designs. This one right here was probably my favorite one, and luckily somehow I actually got my favorite box design. So there's tons of new features with this new Apple Pencil Pro. Probably my favorite one is the fact that it actually has Find My support. So, you know, I've lost my Apple Pencil way too many times. No Apple stickers? No. So having Find My and the iPad actually telling me, hey, you actually just forgot your Apple Pencil in your coffee shop, or hey, you just forgot your Apple Pencil at class. If you know me, Find My was a feature that I've always been wanting on the Apple Pencil. So here's the Apple Pencil Pro. It's wrapped around with this seal. So let's go ahead and open it just like that. So in terms of design, it looks exactly the same as the Apple Pencil, except that it's actually got the Apple Pencil Pro branding on the pencil itself. So here's how the setup process works on the Apple Pencil Pro. You simply snap it on just like that and says, welcome to Apple Pencil Pro. You can squeeze, switch tools with gestures, scribble, easily capture screenshots. Continue. Okay, so let's go ahead and try out the squeeze gesture. So if I squeeze the iPad, so you can see there's a new toolbar that does just like that. And it's actually vibrating. There's actually haptic feedback right now. Oh, that's so cool. So you know how the AirPods Pro do like that do this sound? This just did it, warning me that my Apple Pencil Pro is actually running out of battery, which is super cool. Okay, try scribble. This isn't new. Hello. Go ahead and continue. Add to Find My. There it is. This will allow you to see the last connected location of your Apple Pencil on a map and find it whenever it's lost. So that's pretty cool. Keep in mind, this will allow you to see the last connected location. So it's not like an AirTag. It will simply let you know the last place that you actually left it at. Just like the Find My wallet, for example. It's not like an AirTag, but still, it is super cool. So let's go ahead and add my pencil to Find My. And there we go. Locate on the map, find your Apple Pencil. It would be cool if there would be like some sort of speaker on this thing and you could actually, you know, make it beep, whatever. There we go. And we are now in. All right, so let me show you how the new gestures works. Let's go ahead and open up Apple Notes. And first off, as you can see, there's obviously Apple Pencil Hover, which lets me preview what I'm about to tap on. So Apple Notes, and something mind-blowing about the new Apple Pencil Pro is that you actually do get shadows. I'll show you what it is in just a second. But if I actually pinch, as you can see, I actually got a toolbar inside of Apple Notes. Apple has actually opened this to third-party developers, so anybody can use this in their apps. So let me go ahead and tap on this and tap on the calligraphy tool and check out Apple Pencil Hover, what it's doing with the shadows. I don't know if it's hard to see in person, but there's this tiny little shadow depending on the tool, which is insane. So if I tap on the eraser, the shadow will look like an eraser. It's mind-blowing what Apple has done here. Another new feature is Barrell Roll. So the Apple Pencil will now act like a tool, like a real tool, like a pencil now more than ever. Barrel tool, as you can see, I'm now twisting it, and the pencil is actually twisting with me in UI. So this is great for artists, for example. You see how I barrel roll and this line is thinner because I twisted it just like that. Barrel roll will be such a big deal for artists, especially. As you can see, I'm already getting used to the pinch gesture. I'm like pinching and choosing a tool. And don't forget that you can actually double tap as well on the Apple Pencil, just like on the Apple Pencil 2. And that will switch from the eraser tool to the drawing tool. Haptic feedback feels so good on the Apple Pencil. Every single time I'm like scrolling here, I'm actually getting a tiny vibration that feels incredibly satisfying. All right, so here's the mind-blowing part that I was telling you in the beginning of the video. If we go into settings and then go inside of Apple Pencil and then tap on squeeze, as you can see, this is what's default, show tool palette. So whenever we go inside of Apple Notes, you can literally draw, you can pinch, and this is an amazing feature, right? Having our tools ready for us is amazing. But here's where the power of the new Apple Pencil Pro comes in. You can actually program the squeeze gesture to a shortcut. Now the possibilities here are endless. What Apple gives us is a couple of options. For example, it tells us, hey, you can squeeze to open up an app, for example, GoodNotes. So just like this, you ready? Just like that, I've now opened GoodNotes with my Apple Pencil Pro. Apple also recommends you to do a quick note within Apple Notes. So if you squeeze, a quick note will open up. So you can be like, buy bread. And boom, just like that, you can now hide it. You've got that option as well. You've also got the option to record. Now this is really useful. Let's say you're taking notes in college, in class, and the teacher's speaking really fast and you're like, oh my gosh, she's speaking really fast. I'm gonna record the class. You can simply squeeze your Apple Pencil and just like that, it's already recording your teacher, which is amazing. You can also set a timer, just like that, squeezing it. It gives you like this overview of the timer and you can now set a timer just like that. Now, these are the default options that Apple's giving us, but once again, you've got so many and you can even create your own shortcuts. For example, I can literally control my smart home with my Apple Pencil. I mean, just look at this. I don't think you're ready for this. I'm gonna turn off my lights with my Apple Pencil. This is crazy. Something really powerful is I actually created a shortcut that I can ask ChatGPT anything. So look how powerful the Apple Pencil Pro is right now. Just imagine, you're in class and let's say, let's open up GoodNotes, for example. You're taking some notes in class, right? And you want to ask ChatGPT something. You simply hold and pinch on your Apple Pencil and you can ask ChatGPT just by a pinch of an Apple Pencil. This is so useful. How can I pass my math exam? To pass your math exam, make sure to review all the materials. See, you can now pass your math exam thanks to your Apple Pencil Pro. I'm kidding. Make sure to study. Now, I'm gonna make an entire video on how to make the Apple Pencil Pro extremely worth it, thinking and truly thinking on the best automations that you could do with your Apple Pencil Pro. But let's discover some of them together more. You can play the last voice memo. You can start a new Pages document. You can even start playing some music. Check this out. So I can literally, okay, if I love Travis Scott, I can literally just play Psycho Mode just by This is so funny. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. So you can actually start a voice conversation with ChatGPT. So if you don't like Siri, you can simply ask ChatGPT just by your Apple Pencil. Hello, how are you? What do you think of the new Apple Pencil Pro?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. The Apple Pencil Pro looks like a significant upgrade with its new design, wireless charging, and additional features like the customizable double tap gesture. Have you had a chance to try it out?
Yes, and I would actually want to ask you, what ideas do you think I could actually customize the pinch button? Just give me some cool automations that would make my Apple Pencil Pro a lot more productive.
That's a great idea. Here are some cool automation. 1, undo, redo. Use the pinch button to quickly undo or redo actions in drawing or note-taking apps. 2, toggle eraser. Switch between drawing and erasing modes with a quick pinch.
You can already deal with that with a double tap.
Customize the pinch button to switch between different drawing tools or colors.
Apple already does that.
Zoom in out. Pinch to zoom in or out when viewing or editing.
That's pretty cool. So when you're drawing, you simply pinch and
snapshot. Capture a snapshot.
Screenshot.
With a pinch gesture.
That's a good one.
Later. 6, switch apps. Use the pinch button to switch between.
I like the screenshot one. You simply tap and screenshot.
7, quick access menu. Set up a quick access menu for common actions like copy, paste, or select all. 8, custom shortcuts. Assign the pinch button to trigger custom shortcuts for your favorite apps or actions. These ideas can help you make the most out of your Apple Pencil Pro.
It's funny.
And enhance.
Okay, enough, ChatGPT. It's funny how AI has just controlled this video. It brought some cool features. So we can actually type in screenshot. Let's see. No, so it's not available, but I'm assuming you can actually create whatever shortcut you want and then run a customizable one. So let's try screenshot. Take screenshot and then rename the shortcut to Apple Pencil Screenshot. Okay, so I just created the shortcut. Then we go back into settings and then my shortcuts, Apple Pencil Screenshot. It worked. That is so freaking cool. So yes, that's the setup, the unboxing, and my first impressions on the Apple Pencil Pro. Shortcuts on Apple Pencil Pro is what makes the Apple Pencil Pro so worth it and such a massive upgrade. If you actually want to see my unboxing of the iPad Pro or the new iPad Air, you can, tap this video right here, or you can subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna shortcut you out.